Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to disable your account on Instagram. So first I need to open up Instagram application and get in my profile section. Here I need to tap on this icon at the top right, then get into settings, account, and here at the very bottom I see delete account feature. I can just tap on it and here I can disable my account, or even I can delete my account. And what the difference? When you delete your account, this is permanent. Your profile, photos, videos, comments, like and followers will be permanently deleted. But when you disable your account, that is temporary. Your profile, photos, comments and likes will be hidden until you enable it by toggling back in. And if you decided to disable your account, just tap on this disable account button and your account will be disabled. Make sure you like this video if this information was helpful for you, and see you next time.